Welcome to Learning Together Too. I am so glad that you're here. In this video, we are going to review how to add mixed fractions. Look, our Mojituti friend Tim has come to help us. Hi, Tim. Tim, what would we get if to 3 1/2 we add 2 1/4? That's okay, Tim. Let's work it out together. Let's move the statement to the side to have more workspace. Tim, there are two ways that we could solve this problem. Some people like to express the mixed fractions as improper fractions first, and then solve the problem. Let's call this method 1 and work that solution first. Tim, what is 3 1/2 expressed as an improper fraction? 7/2. Nice job, Tim. Tim, what's 2 1/4 expressed as an improper fraction? 9/4. Very good, Tim. In a separate video, our Mojituti friend Rosita helps us as we review how to express mixed fractions as improper fractions. Make sure to check out the video if you're wondering how we did that. Tim, remember that both fractions need to have the same denominator. Let's rewrite the statement. 7/2 is the same as 14/4. Great job, Tim. 9/4 stays the same because its denominator is already 4. In a separate video, our Mojituti friend Frank helps us as we review different denominators and how to express fractions with the same denominators. Make sure to check out the video if you're wondering how we did that. Now we can add them. 14/4 plus 9/4 is equal to 23/4. Nice job, Tim. In a separate video, our Mojituti friend Pearl helps us as we review how to add fractions with the same denominator. Make sure to check out the video if you're wondering how we did that. 23/4 expressed as a mixed number is 5 3/4. Excellent, Tim. In a separate video, our Mojituti friend Freddie helps us as we review how to express improper fractions as mixed fractions. Make sure to check out the video if you're wondering how we did that. Make sure to check out those videos first before reviewing adding mixed fractions. If you're familiar with these procedures, let's go ahead and try solving this problem using the second method. Tim, the second way to solve this problem is without expressing the mixed fractions as improper fractions. We'll be working mainly with the proper fractions. Let's call this method 2. The first thing that we notice is that the proper fractions have different denominators, so we need to rewrite the expression. Tim, the whole number stays the same. Now let's rewrite 1/2 as 2/4. Nice job, Tim. The whole number in the second fraction also stays the same. 1/4 already has 4 as its denominator, so it stays the same. Tim, let's add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Very good, Tim. Now let's add the proper fractions. 2/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 3/4. Well done, Tim. So our final answer is 5 3/4. Excellent, Tim. Let's try it again. If you have the exercise book for this video, bring it out to work with it. Feel free to pause the video at any time as you follow along in the book. Tim, 1 1/3 plus 1 2/5 is equal to what? Let's move the statement to the side and use method 1 to solve this problem. 1 1/3 expressed as an improper fraction is equal to 4/3. Very good, Tim. Tim, 1 2/5 expressed as an improper fraction is equal to 7/5. Nice job, Tim. Tim, now let's rewrite the statement so both have the same denominator. 4/3 is the same as 20/15. Great job, Tim. 7/5 is the same as 21/15. Nicely done, Tim. 20/15 plus 21/15 is equal to 41/15. Very good, Tim. 41/15 expressed as a mixed fraction is 2 11/15. Excellent, Tim. Let's try solving it with the second method. Tim, remember that with method 2, we'll be working mainly with the proper fractions. Since the denominators are different, we need to rewrite the statement. Tim, the whole number stays the same. Now let's rewrite 1/3 as 5/15. Very good, Tim. The whole number in the second fraction also stays the same. Let's rewrite 2/5 as 6/15. Great job, Tim. Tim, let's add the whole numbers. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Nicely done, Tim. Now let's add the proper fractions. 5/15 plus 6/15 is equal to 11/15. Well done, Tim. So our final answer is 2 11/15. Excellent, Tim. Let's try it again. Tim, 2 1/3 plus 5 6/7 is equal to what? Let's move the statement to the side and use method 1 first to solve this problem. 2 1/3 expressed as an improper fraction is equal to 7/3. Very good, Tim. Tim, 5 6/7 expressed as an improper fraction is equal to 41/7. Nice job, Tim. Tim, now let's rewrite the expression so both have the same denominator. 7/3 is equal to 49/21. Great job, Tim. 41/7 is the same as 123/21. Nice job, Tim. So 49 21st plus 123 21st is equal to 172 21st. Very good, Tim. 172 21st expressed as a mixed fraction is 8 and 4 21st. Excellent, Tim. Let's try solving it with the second method. Tim, let's now use method 2, where we'll be working mainly with the proper fractions. The denominators are different, so we need to rewrite the statement. Tim, the whole number stays the same. Now let's rewrite 1/3 as 7 21st. Very good, Tim. The whole number in the second fraction also stays the same. Let's rewrite 6/7 as 18 21st. Great job, Tim. Tim, let's add the whole numbers. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Nicely done, Tim. Now let's add the proper fractions. 7 21st plus 18 21st is equal to 25 21st. Well done, Tim. But Tim, look, there's something strange with this mixed fraction. The fraction part is an improper fraction. And in mixed fractions, we have proper fractions. That's right, Tim. Let's rearrange our whiteboard to work this out. We need to express the improper fraction as a mixed fraction. 25 21st is the same as 1 and 4 21st. Nice job, Tim. Let's remember to add the 7. Remember, Tim, that since we're adding, we don't have to worry about the order of the numbers. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. That's right, Tim. Tim, we also need to remember our proper fraction. Our final answer is 8 and 4 21st. Excellent, Tim. Tim, this extra step that we had to take to get our answer may be the reason why some people prefer method 1 over method 2. Keep in mind that both methods should always give you the same answer. So if you need to check your work, you may do so by solving the problem using both methods. One more thing, Tim. Tim, what would we get if to 6 we add 1 and 2/5? How do we add a whole number to a mixed fraction? Let's find out. Let's move the statement to the side to have more workspace. Tim, we can think of 1 and 2/5 as 1 plus 2/5. We can think of all mixed fractions in this way. As a matter of fact, we did so when we solved the previous problems using method 2. We just didn't write it out. We took this step in our heads. Tim, let's remember the 6. So what we actually have is 6 plus 1 plus 2/5. Now let's add the whole numbers. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Nice job, Tim. Tim, let's remember the plus 2/5. 7 plus 2/5 can be expressed as 7 and 2/5. Excellent, Tim. That's our answer. Tim, if you look closely, what we did was simply add the whole numbers and keep the fraction. Tim, I think you've got it. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming videos. For more great videos, visit learningtogether2.com. If you already have the exercise book, continue with solving the problems, and thank you so very much for your support. But if you don't have it, get the exercise book that goes along with this video. Find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com. You might also like to get Tim or your favorite Mojituti character. To learn more, visit Mojituti.com. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to click on the like button. See you soon! Oh, by the way, are you a puzzle person? Find your puzzle at the Vista Puzzles. Scan the QR code or find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com.